Yeah, 79, contact Stone Parks, good day.
Okay.
American 3130 for the final.
Well, American 3130.
Pass 25, traffic just south of Wilson Bridge to CRJ at 1,200 feet, circle runway 33.
5 has a traffic site request visual separation.
This separation proof. American 1630 tower, runway 1 lot boy, traffic throughout circle runway 33, dispatch 16 on final.
Runway 1.
Whiskey 5307, keep rolling out to November, ground 47 today. American 1630 to 1 star 32014, Gulf 25, traffic 2 mile up base runway 33, no delay, runway 1 clear for immediate takeoff.
Number 1, clear for takeoff, American 1630.
Pass 25, get the CRJ in sight. Pass 25, pass behind the CRJ.
Pass 5 has a aircraft in sight request visual separation.
Good separation.
American 4782 by Baton now for a visual.
American 472, Washington Tower, 1 star 32017.
This is wind. Howard, did you see that?
American 472. American 3130, go around, turn left in 250, climb maintain 3000.
Okay, left heading 350, 3000, American 3130. Tower, Blue Streak, 5347 is on final. Request runway 33, circle to 33. Taking heading for American 3130.
American 3130, go around, turn left in 270, climb maintain 3000.
270 on the heading, 3000, American 3130.
Crash, crash, crash. This is alert 3. Crash, crash, crash. This is alert 3. Crash, crash, crash. This is alert 3. Oh, shit. Where's the alert 3? It is off the approach end of runway 33. Approach end of runway 33. Helicopter crash. Helicopter. Copy out this morning. Crash, crash, crash. This is alert 3. 2 helicopters. Helicopter CRJ approach end of runway 33. The approach end of runway 33 a mile off final. Crash, crash, crash. Kilo CRJ approach end 33. Okay. How many souls on board? We don't have any of that information. Towers reporting a CRJ and a helicopter crash in Potomac River. Can we go ahead and hold all operations till we have emergency units respond? We're going to go ahead and show the aerodrome closed. Yeah, that's affirmative. Hold all operations, aerodrome closed.
And everybody just hold your positions, please, on the field right now.
That's 43, ready for taxi.
Everyone's going to have to hold for down. I'll get back to you just as soon as I can. Fire command, the accident happened in the river. Both the helicopter and the plane crashed in the river. It's east of the approach end of runway 33.
Is the airfield closed?
Yes, the airfield is closed. The airfield is closed.
Runways as well?
Yes, all runways are closed. Nobody's landing. No one's moving at all.
And we have clearance across all taxiways and runways, correct?
Yes, you have clearance through the whole field, all taxiways and runways.